Hello everybody, welcome to video update 2 for the application. Just going to go over the questions and then I'll show you a quick walkthrough of the application. So current state of the application is that it is 100% complete with everything functioning as it should be, with the design fully in place. Challenges for the week were maps and fragments were my biggest challenge. I had to convert 2 of my fragments into full-fledged activities and kind of restart from scratch on those, but it all got to work in the end. So accomplishments for the week are that I completely finished all the functionality. So I did, first week was interface design, second week was complete functionality, and then third week is bug fixes and anything that happens to go wrong between now and then. I did not submit any change requests for this week, and my plans moving forward are to just go through and test everything, make sure everything works, do some bug fixes if needed, and get the application ready for App Store launch. Alright, so if you will focus on the screen here really quick, I'll go through the application for you. Alright, so when the users first start the application, they're presented with the home screen here, which basically is just a list of all the times that they've recorded using the timer part of the application. If the user slides their finger from the left to the right side, they can open the navigation drawer, or they can just tap on the application name at the top. So if we move into the timer portion here, basically it works just like a Rubik's Cube competition timer. So if you put your fingers on the blue pad and then release them, the timer will start. And then if you press your finger back on the timer, it will stop it. The user can then save their time by clicking on the Save Time button. They can also reset the timer by clicking on the Reset Timer button, and that will also generate another random algorithm down at the bottom for them to scramble their cube with. And then there's also a share action provider here where the user can share their current time with Twitter, Facebook, anything like that. And then the PLL screen here is a grid view that shows all the different PLL cases that there are. If you click on one, it will take you to a detailed view which shows you a bigger image, the name of the algorithm if there is one, and then the actual algorithm itself. So if we continue into OLL, it's very similar. These are just the OLL cases. So again, detailed view, bigger image, a nickname if there is one, and then the algorithm itself. So if we move into the trainer, the way this works is it basically puts a random case on the screen and then allows you to time yourself on how fast you can solve this case. So it works the same way as the other timer. Place your finger on the blue pad, release. It will start to increment the timer. And then if you touch it again, it'll pause. And then this time if you reset, it will generate a new case for you and reset the timer. And then on the final page here is the competition screen. So this pulls from I believe it's the Worldwide Cubers Association list of competitions. So I just grabbed the first 10. I put their pins on a map, and then the user can also click on the little Get My Location button, and it'll get their location. And then there's a list view at the bottom here that names all the locations, and if you click on one, it takes you to a more detailed view with a map of that location, the name, the city, state, and the venue. And then you can also share that, and you can also get directions. So this will open up the Maps app or a website. If you do not have Google Maps, it'll take you to the website. And it basically gets your current address to that location. So yeah, app is 100% functional, and I'm going to be spending the next week just debugging it, making sure that everything works as it should. I hope you enjoyed the video.